So, good afternoon, audience. Thank you for your time. And in next 20 minutes, I'm going to, take you through the merchant journey, right? What does it takes to have an online business, and what are the, journey of them. So we'll go, step by step. So it'll be a great, let's say, experience for all this developer and system integration to really know, right? What from a business side, what are the key challenges? What are the decision-making criteria? Whenever they select anything. So, without me saying anything, I think so we'll give an opportunity to, both of them. So, thank you, Mr. Dhruv. Thank you, Mr. Ashwini. So, we want to, it's a very great audience today. So, we want to really, share the experience which you guys have in your respective businesses, right? So, let me ask a first question to you, right? If you can just quickly introduce about yourself and your business, tell me something about your business, it will be great.
Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Myself Dhruv Mehta. I'm running an e-commerce store, yourdesignerby.com. And so basically it's an ethnic wear where we sell ethnic wear for women, men and kids. And along with that, we are also selling related jewelries and other accessories as well.
Right. And Ashwini, something about you and your company, which you represent?
I come from a technology background, so I do manage Forest Essentials, the entire technology stack. Okay, so and I'm pretty sure everyone must be aware about Forest Essentials as a brand. It's a premium skincare brand which deals in Ayurvedic skincare products.
Right. So let's start the journey, right? So when you started your online business, did you ever thought of that you will do business which is online, or you thought it's still years to come, or the time has come to start an online business?
Actually, earlier I was also working with one of the e-commerce store in Ahmedabad. So I had a bit of knowledge about the online business, and it's like a growing business in coming years. So at that time I thought that let me start our own venture as well. So I started this website, and initially it was a slowly picking up like website.
Right. And about Forest Essential, that's one of the, I think so you guys have more than 80 stores across India. When you really thought of online, did you thought, the online will take time, or it's just there?
So it started in 2000 when our founder opened our first ever flagship store in Khan Market. So the story began from there, and it took us almost 8-9 years to plan an e-commerce store. And we started somewhere around 2008 and 9 in between. And so from there we are growing, more than 100% a year till now.
Right. So let's start with the first thing which people really think to start a business is nothing but the products, right? So what kind of products you manufacture, you trade on?
So basically, we are trading mainly into the ethnic wear. So mainly we are dealing into the designer sarees, salwar kameez and lehenga choli. So initially, basically when we started our website, so we were just selling the products like designer sarees on the website. But based on the feedback from the customer, so we started providing the customized service, stitching services to the customer, and it works very well for us. And so based on the feedback, we have also added the mainly related products to the customer. Let's suppose if a woman is coming on the website for buying a product like sari or designer sari, so she might be interested in related products like jewelry or accessories for herself, or she wants to buy products for her husband. So we are growing the products by categories. We have added recent products and categories on the website.
So when you selected the product, right, what you want to sell online, then you must be thinking about the platform, right? So what was the decision making on what platform, and what was the criteria that you selected, let's say Magento?
Okay. So initially where I had started my website, it was not on a Magento application. It was on some other open source application. But once business started growth, then I had to move on to Magento application, because on Magento, you can manage your database on a more efficient way, and you can give a customer a more user good experience to the customer. So that based on that, we have shifted to Magento application.
Right. And what about you? What platform do you use?
So luckily, when I joined Forest Essentials, it was already on Magento.
Okay.
So I do love Magento. So I've been working on it since last 10 years. So yeah, so there are so many platforms, e-commerce platforms, when it comes to Magento, so it's highly scalable and there are no limits. I mean, so it's the most flexible platform I have ever seen, and I love and enjoy working on it.
Right. So, now you built your own platform, you built your own website, you had a good platform, right? And then it start about consumer, right? Where the customers are coming from. So where are your buyers are coming from? Do you see buyers across the world or only from India? How do you target
No,
those
actually,
segments?
we are more into the international market. We have customers from various countries, USA, UK, Australia, Canada. We are also having a very large customer base from Middle East as well. So we have a very international audience on the website.
Right. And what about your buyers coming from?
So similar case, I mean, so we are 50-50 split. So
Right.
we are catering to more than 200 countries around the world, and so yeah, so I mean, US being the major player, but there are other countries as well. So Middle East, as I said, Middle East, it's on the second place.
Okay. So, before the buyer, it's all about, let's say the first thing people think about payment, right? Where, whether my platform is built, it's a great, but whether people will buy and how they will pay, right? So when it comes to payment, how do you see PayPal, adding value to your overall business?
We are using PayPal since more than 10 years now. And the reason behind the same is that PayPal is having a global presence. And also some of the features like PayPal, like buyer protection, so that buyer can buy the products with confidence. And that at the same time, they are also providing seller protection as well. Also, PayPal is now accepting the payments through various currency, and we can accept the payments on various currency
Right.
as well. So we have a multi-currency store. So basically, what happens is when customer pays online in their local currency, then it makes make more sense to them, and it is convenient for them to pay online on their local currency. So we can use of that option as well.
Right. And what about you? How does PayPal really help your business?
So when you start using Magento, so I've been when Magento was launched, the first payment gateway which came with Magento was PayPal, right? So it adds a trust factor to the customers, especially to the international customers, where they can pay without feeling any insecurity, right? So that's the thing.
Right. So so let's say when you really enable PayPal on your platform, do you see suddenly the new markets was open to your business? So you see buyers from other different geographies or region which you never had buyer from. Does that happen with you?
Yes, on PayPal we can accept payment from more countries. So see, PayPal is also a very good acceptance ratio on different cards. So that's a very good plus point for the kind of merchants like us, so that our customers can pay without any hassle.
Right. And when you think about consumer, right, people generally don't take the internet consumer very seriously, right? If you have a offline store and you have consumer, you tend to give great consumer services. But when it comes to online, people generally delay, right? And now you are selling on a global platform. When you go online, you are compared with various global players. So how do you, take care of customer experiences? What sort of, let's say, value they see from your business?
See, what we do is, for our business, we are adding a daily new products on the website. We are daily updating inventories on the website so that people do not order for the out of stock product. Also, we are giving them better options for the returns as well, so that customer can pay online and they can shop with the confidence on the website.
Right. And what about you? How do you take care of your customer experiences?
So so our products itself, it's a good customer experience. So having said that, we are catering to more than 200 countries. So and we do have our stores in India only. So through Magento, through online platform, and adding PayPal as a payment gateway, we are able to deliver those products to those countries where we are not able to deliver through the stores.
Right. So, we have a lot of developer and system integrator over here, right? So when you really look at a platform, and you want to build a lot of features and capability, right? So what are the things which you, decide for your business? How do you, go and build those capabilities? So in terms of features,
Magento and PayPal, I mean, it's a very seamless integration for them. Even Magento 2 is having option of Braintree plugins. So merchants like us that we can easily integrate the payment options on Magento platform, and it is convenient for customers to pay online easily.
right? And when you really think about online, customer, there are always this returns, right? Disputes with the customers or whatever. How do you take care of those disputes?
So we do have our dedicated customer service team just to make sure that there is no customer satisfaction compromise, and we do have a 24 hours customer service team which
Okay.
works across the clock.
Right. So, you have come online and now let's say you built a platform, you do the, great customer experience, you have payments and all those stuff, right? What are your future expansion plan if you think about your business?
We are adding more categories on the website, related products categories on the website, and we are trying to give a unique experience to the customer so that we can provide a unique products to the customer. So based on that, we are expecting a growth.
Correct. So any single example you can quote where, it's like a very inspiring story when you, sold product online and when you received a payment through PayPal, anything which is really, a story to tell to the audience. Do you have any good example of that?
Actually, PayPal is always helping in the terms of customer service, and they are providing a dedicated customer team for us so that we can, if there is any issue between PayPal with us, any issue with PayPal, then we can easily communicate with them and we can have a solution for the business.
Right. And then do you right now just cater to India market or global market as well?
Global market.
Global market, right? So how do you take care of, let's say, returns or disputes?
So basically our shipping origin remains in India only. So
Okay.
we do ship our products from our Haridwar warehouse, and we take returns to that only.
So, when you really look at online, you might be seeing a lot of website, right? And you want to build those features or functionality to here, right? Do you see that, when Indian entrepreneur sells online, his website are now similar to global standard, or we lack certain, let's say features or technology?
There's always a chance to improve. So we keep improving the customer experience on the website, and when it comes to technology, we have to be up to date with the latest technology trends.
Okay.
So we cannot say that yes, this is the correct website that we are selling on.
Right. Okay, and you can tell about your experience, on your on the, let's say, built up technology which you do on your platform.
So currently we are on the Magento 1 platform,
Okay.
and very soon we are also moving to the Magento 2 platform, and maybe by mid-March we will be on the Magento 2, and Magento 2 is having also very good options in terms of features and efficiency. So yes, Magento platform is always, it's good for the merchant like us so that it is capable of better efficient database management and order processing management.
Right. And you spoke about PayPal, value of, buyer protection, seller protection. Can you give an example of that? How does it really adds a value to that, to your business?
See, when buyer is having a protection of while making the payment, so that he or she ensure about that she is paying on the right merchant, to the right merchant, and customer will get the products so that we can pay with the confidence, and also at the same time providing the seller protection, we can ship the goods without any problem.
And for you also, you see the same,
Yeah, the same thing.
Okay. So any piece of advice? There are a lot of people who are sitting here, who are developers and integrations, right? Any piece of advice which you want to give to the audience? When you really go online, what are the decision-making criteria, and how do you select, those platforms?
So I think if any of us have an offline business, we must go online, and online business has a lot of potential these days, and we should start with Magento only, okay? And the first payment gateway you will get is PayPal. It comes integrated with the PayPal, and it's a most widely accepted payment gateway. So you can go up and running in few hours only.
Great. And sir, your 100% business is online, right? So, and then you are expanding new product line, right? So, will you ever think of, not having PayPal?
No, it won't be possible because we are running a multi-currency store. So we need a PayPal to accept the currency payment from multiple currencies. And that's the reason. And also the acceptance ratio, successful acceptance ratio is much higher than any other merchants as of now.
Right. And you have been doing this online business since 8 years, right? So what do you see the future of online business?
It is good. I mean, it is growing day by day and it will be grow like anything.
Great. So, on this note, I'll end sort of, let's say, question and answer with you. I think so, a big round of applause for both of them for coming so far, really, sharing their experiences. And these are the real people, right, who basically went online, even before the e-commerce industry, went online and built those platforms and are serving to the global audience, with ease. And today they are here to inspire us and many people who are here who wants to go online. So a big thank you, round of applause for both of them. A big thank you and thank you on behalf of PayPal team to use our services and be a great ambassador for PayPal as well. Right, a big round of applause.
Thank you.
Thank you.